What if I told you that one AI tool could help you build an online income that has the potential to reach $500 a day? No coding, no expensive equipment, no huge audience. Today, I'm going to show you the exact strategy people are using with Claude AI to create digital products, offer freelance services, write content, and automate their work. This isn't a magic button, and it won't make everyone $500 per day overnight. Reaching that level takes skill, consistent effort, and finding paying clients or customers. But this workflow can help you build toward that goal. Let's get started. If you're new here, I create videos about AI tools, online business, passive income, and practical ways to make money online. If that's your goal, subscribe and turn on notifications because I post new AI strategies every week. Step 1. Use Claude AI as your business assistant. Most beginners use Claude AI only to write essays. That's a mistake. Instead, think of Claude as your employee. You can use it to write blog posts, create sales pages, write emails, generate YouTube scripts, create social media content, research profitable niches, build digital products. This saves hours of work every day. Time saved means you can serve more clients or create more products. Step 2. Sell AI services. One of the fastest ways to earn money is freelancing. Offer services like YouTube script writing, blog writing, product descriptions, email marketing, LinkedIn posts, website copy. Claude creates a strong first draft. Then spend a few minutes editing it to match the client's needs. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you deliver faster and can take on more work. Step 3. Create digital products. Digital products can keep selling after you've created them. Examples include AI prompt packs, business templates, resume templates, study notes, printable planners, social media content packs. Use Claude to generate ideas, outlines, and polished content. Then package everything professionally and sell it on online marketplaces or your own website. Step 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular option. Here's the process. Find useful software or tools. Create tutorials. Write reviews. Share helpful comparisons. Use Claude AI to research the topic, organize your ideas, and draft your content. If people find your content useful and buy through your affiliate links, you earn commissions. Focus on helping your audience rather than simply promoting products. Step 5. Content repurposing. One piece of content can become many. For example, one YouTube video becomes a blog article, 5 tweets, 10 Pinterest pins, 5 Facebook posts, Instagram captions. Claude can rewrite and adapt your content for each platform. This lets you reach more people without creating everything from scratch. Claude AI is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching.